Do you know what auto insurance coverage you really need? It's a question that stumps many car owners. Auto insurance coverage is crucial, but it can be a maze of complicated terms and options. That's why we're here, to break down each type of auto insurance coverage, from liability to collision, in a way that's simple and easy to understand. We'll help you navigate through this often confusing world, guiding you towards making an informed decision. So buckle up as we delve into the world of auto insurance coverage. First on our list is liability coverage. This is the superhero of auto insurance that steps up when you're at fault in an accident. It swoops in to cover the costs associated with injuries to others and any damage to other people's property. Now here's the clincher. Most states require it by law. So, if you're thinking of skimping on this one, think again. Remember, liability coverage is a must-have, but it only protects other drivers. Next up are comprehensive and collision coverage. Let's start with comprehensive coverage. Picture this. You wake up to find your car's window shattered and your prized stereo system gone. Or maybe a tree limb decides to take a nosedive straight onto your hood during a storm. That's where comprehensive coverage steps in. It covers damage to your car that's not caused by a collision. This includes theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, and yes, even damage from our furry friends in the wild. Now, let's talk collision coverage. Imagine you're cruising down the road and out of nowhere another car rams into you. Or perhaps you misjudge a parking space and end up kissing a light pole. Collision coverage takes care of the damages from these scenarios regardless of who's at fault. While these coverages are optional, they are highly recommended, especially for those shiny, newer cars. With comprehensive and collision coverage, you have a safety net for both non-collision and collision incidents. Then, we have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Imagine being in an accident caused by a driver who doesn't have an insurance policy or whose policy can't cover all your expenses. That's where this coverage steps in. It's your safety net, covering your costs in such scenarios. While it's optional, it can be a significant safeguard, as it protects you from others' irresponsibility. Remember, you can't control other drivers, but you can control your protection. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage gives you peace of mind when others fail to take responsibility. So, what type of auto insurance coverage do you really need? In a nutshell, liability coverage helps pay for damage you cause to others, while comprehensive and collision coverage help protect your own vehicle. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, on the other hand, covers you when the other driver can't. The right coverage for you hinges on factors like your car's age and your financial situation. Remember, understanding your auto insurance coverage is the first step to making sure you're protected on the road.